I don't know if y'all can hear them or not. But they're definitely Aprils. You can barely see her right there. I probably ain't gonna be able to see the kittens. But if it doesn't rain real hard, they'll probably be alright. Oh, she's upset. Where you at? Where's your face? How many you got under there, April? Are you still having them? Huh? Huh? I probably shouldn't bother you. Oh, look. Oh, I knew Wild Bill was your boyfriend. Honey, I know you're going to have more than 2 kittens, so I'm going to go away now. I'm going to go away and leave you alone so you can finish up. You got 2 Wild Bills right there. Oh, sweetheart, they're so pretty. You'll be all right. I'm going to leave you alone now. I don't think that's a good spot if it doesn't rain real hard. If it rains hard, you'll drown. They sure are pretty. All right. You sweet babies. I hear you growling, honey. There's no way I'm sticking my hand in there. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let you alone. Be careful, sweetheart.